shit. I can't hear shit. I step in at the club and dance show but dope and a gal come and wind up on me. My son's a tall back against the yo. Welcome family, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Late Night with Ace. Y'all don't know the vibes. Today we got a very special video on our hands. MB Bunch. You know he's a regular on the channel. But first, before we get into that, I want to know how y'all are doing, man. Sorry I didn't upload in a week, but I've been working on new music, new videos, overtime out right now on YouTube. So go check that out, man. Drop that on YouTube, Spotify, SoundCloud only. So yeah, y'all don't know the vibes with that one. Make sure y'all hit the like, and I want 100 likes on that. And I'm gonna drop this timeless video, no joke. Jack, but I'm just here chilling, you know. You know how I do it, kicking back on a nice, so the Friday night. About to watch a nice react to a couple videos with you guys. We got MB Bands, the man's original on the channel. You check the man does come to with the heat, with the funnies, with the memes, with the London life, but puts in a comedic way. You check? Don't smoke weed, kids. But anyways, we're gonna get straight into this video right now. MB Bands, baby. Goofy. Bro, those are the off-white Johns. How did Alex, goofy looking Alex, get the off-whites? Bro, I will show y'all what I'm in my boxes right now, so no homo. Sorry for putting that image in your head, but y'all don't do the vibes. I don't give a fuck. But this man got the new off-whites, bro. See what happens when your new shoes get stepped on. Don't you dare. Oh, I thought this shit was an ad. Mini. This nigga's not saying nothing. This nigga was looking at the bushes, bro. Weird ass, boy. Fellas, never step on the niggas on white Air Force Ones, bro. Especially when you're in the club, bro, and you're drunk. Recipe for getting clocked. I've never. Hey, it wasn't me though. Check, it wasn't me. But just don't step on the niggas Air Force Ones. Especially if it's raining. Alright, why you breathing like that? Onto this giddy ass. Nigga, this is what happens when you niggas watch too much anime, bro. Believe it or not, I bet this nigga has a whole bunch of reruns of anime, bro. From Naruto Shippuden to Clickhood and Avatar, bro. Nigga, stop watching that shit and think it's gonna work in a real fight. Cause you're gonna get your ass knocked the fuck out. Telling you that right now, dog. Walk off of this spot for real. I keep pausing the video, but this thing is jokes. This man said, fuck his crepes, fam. Man said you can get it for the shop for fucking free. I bet you can, but Camden Road enter. Yeah, he's always the man chatting no fuck, bro. Talk about squares. The Yo, this man is a fucking joke. And this nigga Alex pulled out his fucking gun, bro. Weird ass nigga Alex. Y'all know the vibes, my MB bands with another banger for your mother and for your galley, sister, auntie, uncle, granny, sister, uncle, nephew, niece, auntie. Is it? How many minutes is that? Because I'm trying to get this monetized, fellas. This shit look like about 7. So, man, leave in the comments, fellas, how y'all day went, man. Because, to be honest, today, I didn't do shit but run around in the car, do errands, you check. But trying to make that money, fellas, I'm trying to save up right now on my last year of school, you check. Business. And I trying to do some real estate when I hop out next year. Save up and move to LA for 4 months, you check. But that's just the base, the grand scale of things. There's a lot of things that go into it when you're trying to follow your dreams and do that shit for real, for real. So I'm gonna take this serious, put in the time, put in the work, also grind it out for you, man, because I'm also trying to build my brand around everything. So I'd appreciate it if you guys really hit me up, hit the like button, and get these videos going. Check, trying to monetize this channel. We finna go big real soon, man. You know what I'm saying? Create moments and memories with my family, friends, and you guys that we can remember that are gonna last forever. You check, cause that's all that matters is the moment, not the materialistic shit, man. Don't let them fool you. Don't get distracted by those kind of shits. Check. Now I'm going off one-on-one, but cause I need the minutes, but real shit at the end of the day. Just talking to y'all as my family, cause imagine we live in a time now you can learn from niggas on the internet like how y'all can learn from me, and I can learn from you guys through the comment section and shit like that. You check? So don't be scared to do what you want to do or get feedback or anything, because all feedback is good feedback at the end of the day. You just have to have selective attention and just do what you gotta do to put yourself in place to chase your dreams and goals. Because guess what, guys? We got one fucking life in this bitch, bro. We ain't gonna be here forever. You check? So create something that will. You feel me? No joke. Cause that shit's real as fuck. Create something for your sons and daughters. Sons and daughters, bro. To just talk to you about you did something in this generation, your generation, and your family line that changed the talk, change how the rest of beyond you, the people, your blood beyond you, can perceive and believe and dream and get to that point where they want to, because they see the example from you that you made, So yeah, family, you know the vibes with me. We here at 10 minutes. Yay! 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 Y'all done know the vibes. Let love, let love guide you, not fear. And it's ISO!